Hey everyone, and welcome back to Investing Guide. More than 70% of Cardano is currently being staked. Investors don't seem interested in selling it, which means there's a high possibility that a shortage is coming soon. There's been a huge rise in the stake value of Cardano in the past few months. Today we're going to be talking about the potential upcoming Cardano shortage and the expected ADA market rates. Make sure you stick around until the end of this video, as we'll have a crazy discussion on Cardano and its price prediction. But before we start, if you like this type of content, subscribe and turn on notifications. That way you won't miss out on any of our new videos. According to Wallet Investors research, ADA is going to double up from its current price in the next 12 months, which means there's going to be new highs and records broken in the crypto world. Another evidence of Cardano's shortage is that it has made its place in the top 3 cryptocurrencies, giving us a clear sign that people are more than interested in Cardano investments. If we talk about the overall stats in the Cardano market, then there has been a tremendous increase in the number of Cardano delegators. Thousands of people are buying it, and experts are expecting an even bigger rise in the next few months. However, we can't ignore other currencies like Ethereum, which are also rising above expectations. If we compare Ethereum with Cardano, we see that people find it better since it's a much faster and low-fee charging network these days. Besides launching Alonzo, Cardano developers have also attained a partnership with Chainlinks. This partnership would allow the Cardano contracts to link their network's execution with real-world data, in which they can connect with their consumer transactions and other economic indicators as well. With all these improved facilities and well-organized structures, it comes as no surprise that most investors think that Cardano is going to be the most popular crypto in the future. But can we go as far as to say that Cardano is the future of finance? Wallet Investor has also predicted the $4.52 price increase for Cardano in September 2022. This could mean that we'll soon see a drastic financial change in Cardano in the crypto market. Crypto is on a whole nother level. Cardano, out of all the cryptocurrencies, keeps on growing and growing and doesn't seem to be stopping anytime soon. It's not just random people who are investing. Banks, institutions, and companies are also investing billions of dollars in the hope of getting some long-term benefits. It comes as no surprise that a Cardano shortage is coming up in the coming days, as people become more interested in buying stocks with ADA. Seeing the price increase of Cardano since the start of 2021, no one is thinking about selling Cardano right now. Some investors are even saying that they're not going to sell Cardano until it reaches $50. Now, another interesting point to note is, by the law of economics, the more people that buy the ADA token, the higher the price increase on the token. However, unlike normal commodities, an increase in price doesn't cause the demand for the token to decrease, but rather it results in an increase. This day-by-day price climbing and increase in demand are going to create a huge shortage in the supply of ADA. Another reason people are staking Cardano is because of the 5% interest that is offered by Cardano on the ADA token when investors stake in it. So, stakers are going to get rewards for staking their coins, and people are now using their Cardano wallets as saving accounts. So, why would people not stack Cardano, especially when they don't even have to pay for the interest? Now, before discussing further things about the Cardano shortage, the main question we should be asking is, why is the stacking rate of Cardano skyrocketing? Are investors and crypto experts going to sell it in the upcoming days? Nobody really knows. What's really going to happen in this situation? Not even the so-called crypto expert agencies. A Cardano investor's, or rather any investor's main goal, is to create passive income. Buying Cardano has become a domino effect. Investors see other investors buying and stacking Cardano, and they are following the same thing. This is because in crypto, the popularity of a currency doesn't matter as much as the use and profits of a certain currency does. And Cardano is lucky enough to have the potential to rise higher than even Ethereum. At this point, the question keeps popping up. Should we stop stacking more and more Cardano and sell it? As we all know, there has been an explosive rise in Cardano purchases lately, but it's very important to know both the merits and demerits of Cardano before you invest in it. So why exactly is Cardano going short, and why are people not selling it? Before we continue, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications so you can know more about Cardano. The first reason is that the ADA trading volume is gonna change. You might have heard that the trading volumes of ADA have swelled up in the past few months, and it's going up every single day. Since the year started, ADA gained approximately 1,300%. These top-performing statistics have blown up Cardano's popularity among investors and made it one of the biggest altcoins to consider. The second reason is the improvement in the maintenance and customer support of crypto users. Cardano has developed a new web application that helps guide its users and make it easier for them to use the newly added features of smart contracts. Obviously, when we talk about Cardano, its record-breaking all-time high is the biggest news that currently comes to mind. Cardano has grown over 1,000% in under a year, and that's resulted in many investors buying the coin in bulk amounts and staking it. People are not willing to sell it until it reaches a new price that meets their expectations. In today's trading market, the greatest momentum and impressive gains are shown by the ADA token. Now, if we look at the statistics, Cardano's got a market cap of around $94 billion, being the third largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin has gained a price rise of 54% and Ethereum by 62%, while Cardano's popularity has risen by 126% across the globe. What does that mean? Obviously, people are more interested in Cardano investments rather than Bitcoin or Ethereum. They are buying Cardano and they are stacking Cardano, and they are waiting for Cardano. So why should we not expect a Cardano shortage to happen? Now, if we talk about the price prediction of Cardano, it's fluctuated throughout the year. When the coin comes into circulation, it doesn't sell immediately. The same is the case with Cardano ADA. The coin's value is dependent on several different factors, including the mindset of investors about whether they want to sell their currency or not. Many individuals who desire not to sell their cryptocurrency use it for a different purpose, like for online transactions and buying things. They do so possibly because they are well aware of the potential of Cardano in the future. And as we know, Cardano is an environmentally sustainable currency that people can use for online goods and payments for other services. So overall, Cardano has been successful in achieving the top performing cryptocurrency title in the past few months, and we can see a huge price increase. Different experts are predicting different price ranges, but to give a rough idea, the price of Cardano has risen 1,716.84% in the past 12 months, which is equivalent to $1.85 per coin at present. There are no final wordings that how much it will fluctuate in the upcoming days, but experts are still expecting a bright future for Cardano investors. If you haven't invested in Cardano yet, I'm sure the first question that comes to your mind is whether or not it's too late to invest in it. The answer to this question lies in the understanding of how crypto coins work. Basically, in crypto, there is a maximal supply for coins, which means that there is a limit above which no coins will be mined or be available for sale in the market. As for Cardano, currently there are 45 billion ADA coins currently available at the maximum, and 32 billion of these coins have already been distributed. Therefore, if the crypto has a shortage, then it may be capable of influencing its price. As discussed, the price of a crypto is determined by its demand. The currency with high demand will alternatively have a greater number of buyers. The interesting thing about ADA is 74% of Cardano is being staked, and the number of delegators is climbing steadily over the past few months. And if the price of the token is going to rise in the future, as predicted by most financial analysis, then you should be well prepared for a shortage, as investors are highly unlikely to sell a single coin from their Cardano wallet. Most investors, like you, are planning for long-term financial stability with the Cardano investment and are willing to wait patiently for the next few months. Some even for the next few years. Each day, the demand for ADA increases, and eventually when the coin supply runs out, its price is going to skyrocket, which is why if you don't hop on the ADA train now, you'll never get to enjoy the token price of ADA this low. That's it for today, guys. Do remember that this video is meant for educational purposes and in no way counts as financial advice. Do your own research and consult your nearest financial aid if you want to invest, and where you should invest. While you're still here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen. See you there.